In this video, guys, I will be showing you how to make your own crypto trading bot. What is a crypto trading bot? This is simply a robot that trades on your behalf and you can make money while you sleep. So why do you need a trading bot to begin with? Well, the trading bot doesn't sleep. It's awake 24/7. So it never misses a trade. All you need to do is to set up a rule and forget about it, and the trading bot does pretty much everything. Now, I'm sure you have heard of trading bots and you always hear about these coding and building blocks and other complicated strategies, and it seems difficult to implement. In this video, guys, I will be showing you a trading bot system that will literally take you 5 minutes to set up. No coding needed, no technical experience needed, and anyone can do it. And you can do it with any amount of money that you have because this is a spot trading bot. All right. So before we even get into the nitty gritty of it, let's quickly look at the questions that people may have that are popular about trading bots on Google. I'll answer them and then we'll get started. So the question, are trading bots worth it? Yes, they're absolutely worth it because they can do things that you cannot do. They have no emotions, but also they do not sleep. Which bot is the best for trading? This depends on what kind of assets you're trading and the strategy. Trading bots profitable? I mean, we can just look at the data. The one that I will be showing you guys has made 497% in the last 7 days on Luna Classic, and we can also switch it to say how much has it made on Bitcoin, BTC USD. Okay, here we go. It has made 92% on Bitcoin BTC in 7 days, and it has made 191% in 30 days on. Oh, you guys cannot see because of my head. Oh, actually, you can see. It's kind of here, you know. So it just depends how you look at it, but I do think that trading bots are definitely profitable. Okay, and how much can a trading bot made? I just showed you guys is trading bot free. The one that I will be showing you in this video is absolutely free. The only fees that you pay are the trading fees, but the bot itself is absolutely free. Okay, so how is this gonna work? How do you get to use this trading bot? By the way, first of all, you need to destroy the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, my name is Gray BTC. I make videos about cryptocurrency since who knows when, and I do go live every day. So if you want to keep on top and in touch with the cryptocurrency market, I recommend you destroy the subscribe button right now and the bell button to make sure whenever I go live, you will be able to get notified. And also like the video. Let's get this video to 2,000 likes so that other people can also see it and we can defeat the YouTube algorithm. All right. The trading bot that I will be showing you guys, it's coming from OKX. OKX is one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platforms, one of the earliest ones. And this platform now, they have implemented a trading bot that each and every one of their users can actually use for free. So if you don't have an OKX account, all you need to do is to create one. Go to okx.com. But most importantly, sign up on OKX using my link in the description. In that sense, you get 45% rebate back into your account. So all the money that you spend on OKX transaction fees, they'll pay you back 45% of that if you use my link in the description to sign up. All right. So OKX is a simple exchange. It looks really cool. Let's see. Go somewhere here, okx.com. You sign up, and all you need to do is to deposit your funds into the OKX platform. And then after you do that, you can now simply go to trade. And here you can see it says trading bot. So I will go to the trading bot. All right. And I will now see this page where it has spot trading and there's AI strategy and manual strategy. So you might be confused because if you go down here, you see the multiple types of bots that are available on this platform that you can use. Basically, what I will be showing you is this one called the spot trade. So you see here, it's profitable. It has made 499% in today's highest APY. So since its existence, it has made 499% as its best outcome at the moment, which is not bad at all. So there's a recurring buy in other bots, but for now, I want to focus on the spot grid. So let me tell you a little bit more about the OKX platform so that you understand. This is a trading platform just like Binance. You can buy and sell crypto, you can invest and save and generate passive income. It does everything that an exchange does. You can buy crypto with a credit card, but this bot system is just an extra feature. So just so that you know, OKX is not a platform for bots only. It's actually a trading platform, an investment platform, but then you also have bots on it. So what I will be showing you, like I said, is the spot grid. And what I will do, I will click on spot grid. So what does this mean really? There's a good documentation here on the OKX platform. It says trading bots mode, and what we're looking at is the spot grid. So obviously nobody likes to read the manual, and I'll be the guy who will be reading it out for you on your behalf. The first mode, called spot grid, is ideal for traders for any volume and experience level, hoping to lock in additional profits from asset volatility. The bot sets grid lines between an upper and lower price set by the user and automatically sells the crypto if the traded asset price increases and reaches one of the lines. Conversely, the bot automatically buys crypto if the price decreases to one of the lines. Basically, classic trading strategy: buy low and sell high. And we have discussed this on this channel before using other platforms for trading and other strategies. But basically, this is what's happening. So let me find a good, let's go to BTC USD. All right. So basically what it's doing, you're giving this bot, you're giving it a range, right? I've discussed about ranges with you guys many times, and I know you understand what it is. So a range, for those of you who do not know what it is, it's just a channel in which the market is going up and down without really breaking out or changing something significant. So an example of a range is this. This is a range because for a couple of days now, Bitcoin had just been going up and down through this range. Let's say the lowest it has been going on average, let's say, is 18,718, and the highest it has gone has been 19,620, roughly, right? And it's going up, down, up, down, up, down. Sometimes it breaks out, but it has been even reversing. So if you had all the time in the world to observe this, you would actually make money by simply buying at the bottom of the range and selling at the top of the range. Buying at the bottom of the range, selling at the top of the range. Bottom and on until the range expires by a breakout. So this is where the bot trading strategy comes in, especially the spot grid strategy. You're going to put a line over here and another line at the top, and it will be buying at the bottom line and selling at the top line. Done. So this bot helps you to do that. So let's go back here, and you can see in this bot there are two things going on. There's the AI strategy, and then there's the manual strategy. The AI strategy, you can see, it basically, the artificial intelligence does all the work. Let me bring myself down a little bit so that you guys can see what's going on here. Okay, so you can see there is the AI strategy. It means artificial intelligence is going to take care of your trading. You don't have to worry or have to do anything at all. All right. Whereas the manual strategy, you have to put all the numbers by yourself, which is also fine. The good thing is that if you go to the AI strategy, you are also able to put stop loss and take profit as well. But the range is based on back-tested information or historical data. So you can see here it's telling you that using the AI strategy, in the last 7 days, it made 92% on Bitcoin. It made 191% in 30 days, and in 180 days, it only made 64%. So you can judge yourself. How do you want to implement strategy? Do you want to do it for 7 days? Do you want to do it for 30 days? Do you want to do it for 180 days? You need to remember that past data, historical data, does not equal to future-based data. So you still have to be mindful that this is historical data. From now on is the new world. So the parameters can change. So let's say we want to do it for 7 days and we're going to use the AI strategy. You just have to determine how much money you want to give the bot. The bot uses USDT to do this. So if you have cryptocurrency in another exchange, let's say on Binance or Luno or whatever, you need to transfer your Bitcoin or USDT or Ethereum into OKX account. I have a tutorial on how to deposit money on OKX. Link will be in the description. And then you can decide. Let's say I want to give this bot, for the sake of example of this video, I want to give it $2,000. Right? I want to give it $2,000. And I'll go ahead and let's just say 1,000 so that the other 1,000 can be used for the manual. Okay, I'll go for 7 days and I'll just go and create. There we go. I don't have to do anything. So it's saying lower price will be 18,127 and upper price will be 21,000. So whenever, and the quantity is 8, it will try to make 8 trades using the money that I've this $1,000 to do this multiple times until we make money, and then I can just simply confirm. And you can see currently it's showing my P&L ratio. I'm at a 0.04 minus 0.04, and the preference date is on here, and you can also stop it at any time. If you pay attention here, you can see there is an opportunity to stop it, and here you can click details to learn more about that trade if you prefer to. Okay, now you see there is take profit and stop loss here, which we didn't put in, but let's say we want to use the same parameters as the AI strategy has, but we want to do it manually. You can click on copy parameters to manual settings right here. So I will click on it, and then I'm now back to the manual situation. So you see the numbers have already been pre-filled and the upper bound has also been set. So what if I want to do it completely on my own terms? I've observed that Bitcoin has been going between, let's say, I'm predicting that it will be going between 17,000 to 20,000, right? So I can put here 17,000 and 20,000. Wait. You have to get the numbers right here. You don't want to make mistakes, so be careful. Okay, so what does this mean? It means every single time Bitcoin's price goes to $17,000, my bot will buy the Bitcoin from me and then whenever it hits 20,000, it will automatically sell. So let's say Bitcoin does this 10 times. It means that I will make money 10 times without having to do anything. And then there is a mode here, arithmetic or geometric. I would say to keep things simple for yourself, just keep it on arithmetic. It's easy to calculate. And then there's a quantity here, 8 grids. It's simple. It means estimated profit margin grid is 1.7 to 2%. Now, let's see if we decrease this to 2 grids. You see that the profit margin has been also increased. The more grids you have, the lesser the profit, but the safer it is because you're now going to be making smaller market movements. Your trades are going to be based on smaller market movements. All right. If you say 1, right, it says quantity cannot be less than 2. So it has to be minimum 2 grids. All right. And you see the profit increases here. So it depends. If you're comfortable on the position, you can definitely put a smaller number, but I like to put something like 4. Okay, it's much better than the 8. And then the crypto amount in USDT, you can select what crypto you want to use, either BTC or USDT and BTC. I'll use USDT. This one give it $500. All right, there we go. And then you can also click on take profit. Right here, there's TPSL. This means take profit and stop loss. I'll click on that. And I'll set my take profit. So let's say we, take profit, it's still 20,000 anyway. Our stop loss is, so it says stop loss should be above the upper price. So if we said 20,000 is our upper band where we want to be taking profit, you can then put 1 on there. This is just a security mechanism as risk management. So you don't want to just leave everything up to the bot to do it. You still have to set these parameters. And stop loss price, we said our lower bound is 17,000. That is our buy price. And let's just say we make this one 16,999. Done. And then you can now create your bot. Confirm. Here we go. Okay. Now, the stop loss and take profit is important for one thing. When things go wrong. Can things go wrong with this bot? Yes, they can. When you're using a greed strategy, there is a point where things go wrong. And here's how. So I'll go to the Bitcoin chart. This is a 4-hour. And let's find a range that was broken. All right. So remember, you make money in a range when the price is repeatedly going up and down, right? Let's say, let's call this some sort of a range, right? Actually, that's even a bad one. Let's choose something nicer. Okay, price range. Let's say, yeah, let's just say you use this smaller area here as a range. I'll bring this to white so that you guys can see it. So yeah, that area, let's call it a range. Can even bring it down a little bit. All right, let's say you have been playing around with this. Up, down, you've been buying and selling. And then eventually, you were hoping that this could go on to the future for a number of days. And then what happened? We had a bullish candle here that completely went out of this range that we had set up. In this case, it means that you will not longer make money. However, you're not going to lose because your take profit is here, but the price keeps on going up and you're not in profit because you had set your take profit here at the top. It means that you're now saying that, look, I have enough profits here at this point. I'm happy. The rest is good, but I'm not interested. I'm just interested in the range. So that is an issue that you could not make as much profit sometimes because you sold so early, but your strategy is to make money out of the range, so it doesn't matter. Let's look at it on the downside, right? Can you lose money in a certain area? Yes. It is possible to lose money, especially if you don't put a stop loss on it. So let's look at this also as another example. Right? Let's say you were trading this range. Let's say these are daily candles. Let's assume they're daily candles. And you've been going up and down, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and on and on. And then something happened. You remember, we're buying at the bottom line here, right? So imagine on this candle, it bought and it managed to sell. And then on this candle, it opened lower. And somehow it hit our bottom buying area and we bought, but it didn't close at the top of the range. It started going down significantly. So it means you bought here, let's say at 18,000, but then it went all the way to 18,195. You understand? So this just means one thing. If you have a scenario like this, it means you bought, but then the price is going up, you're no longer making money. And all you need to do is set up a stop loss. Say that if you're buying at this price, 18,770, you want to say, look, anytime it goes below that, let's say by 1%, you want to exit this range because it might mean that this range has now expired because of the breakout. And that's how this bot works. So we can go back here and check out our bots. We have 2 positions going on. One is for 7 days. This one has no reference period. Because it's our manual strategy that we have put out and we can close it whenever we want. And we also have a take profit and stop loss. But basically, you always have to, with this strategy, you only make money when you're long. You're making money on the way up. So you have to make sure that you have at least made a stop loss for the downside just in case things go wrong. But that's basically how it works on OKX. All these positions can be stopped here at any point in time. All right. And if when it comes to depositing and withdrawing, like I said, there's another video for OKX if you want to learn how it works, the whole platform. I covered it already. I'll put the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn more about trading and investing, I have an incredible course at Crypto University, which I recommend you guys to use it, cryptouniversity.network. You can learn a lot from me in my step-by-step course. I also have trading indicators that you can buy from here, and then you can use those indicators as to provide you a strategy for a greed, right? If you look at my chart here, you can see that I have all these dotted green lines, right? These can be useful for buying and selling. You can use these lines for your greeds. And these lines are coming from my indicator that is called the Nitrous Bull indicator, which you can buy from Crypto University. It gives you the red lines are the points of resistance, and the green lines are the support levels. So you can use a support level as a buy, as a lower grid, and you can use the resistance as an upper grid to sell. And that is how it works. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment in the comment below, and I will be more than happy to help you guys with that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.